Welcome to the Mastercam Lite program. In that lecture, we're gonna talk about how can we get Mastercam Lite process. So when I am click wireframe here and line endpoints and freeform and multi-line, I can easily create my product by using the Mastercam design options. That's enough to create our toolpaths. I can click machine, late and default machine to funnel control unit. If you would like to get some different codes, you can easily organize your machine setup. And then I can click right mouse button, mirror toolpaths and roughing process. I just need to select my chain, OK button, my tool and my roughing process and click OK button. If you would like to change your chain, you can turn to wireframe, you can click the fillet entities and you can click some fillet here, OK button, and you can also create different feed rate for that part. Of course, you need to change your geometry. Click here, delete that chain, and add new one, starting from here and finishing here. Okay, you just need to click here to get your new code. Okay, you can also simulate your program. After that, if everything seems fine, you can turn to G1 button to get your G code. Okay, that's it. You just need to send that code to your CNC. If you would like to, you can use that editor to send your G code to your CNC. Okay, this is the Mastercam design process. But if you would like to create your product by using the SolidWorks or another program, you can also use that one. I'm gonna click open button here. This is the Parasolid file. I can double click on it and I can easily get my product in Mastercam. You can see the different operation here, C-axis and plate process, growing process or drilling process. I can turn to top view and turn to machine, late and default machine setup. After that, I can turn here, late toolpath and finish toolpath. As you can see that silhouette is calculated automatically. All you just select your geometry. I can click here or here. And then I can click OK button. And then you can select your finish tool and you can change your insert here. And then finish parameters and click OK button. And then you can simulate your toolpath. And everything seems fine. You can turn to G code to get your post here. That's it. You can send that code to your CNC to get that operation. After that course, we're gonna talk about all late operation and C-axis operation in Mastercam. After that course, you can easily be able to get your toolpath like that kind of product. Okay, I really appreciated your interest. Don't hesitate to ask me any question. I am here to answer your question. You can also send me your product. I can take that product to create your toolpath. And take care.